Masyado ito.
Isa pa.
Ano lang, isa lang.
1, 2.
Ang sungit?
Huwag magsungit.
Okay, all of us will sing Happy Birthday.
What's the room number of Hide?
1, 2, 3.
603.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy Emily.
Happy birthday to you. Come on, let's eat. Let's eat.
Oh, these are the foods of Ate Emily.
The plate is there.
Dami oh. Saan ka pa?
Thank you.
Daig pang mas nito ah.
Prayer first.
Excuse me, girls.
Chicken day. It's chicken day.
Chicken and pork.
Where's MP? Oh. Oh. She misses this event.
What is what? What is this?
Yay! Kaya ba mga kaplatuhan? No more kaplatuhan? Oh, this is your Christoph. Hey, Emily! Happy birthday! You girl!
How about you? How about
say?
you? What will you say?
What can you say?
Happy birthday.
Late reaction.
What is this? Pringles. Pringles.
Cheese sticks.
Smile, girl, smile. 1, 2.
Japanese style.
Yeah!
John. John.
Teka. One.
Parang manyak naman na to.
Ito naman sila yun. Sihaga mo. What is this?
Oh, where's Hide? Hide.
You don't know?
Smile.
Galing naman na yan.
Smile.
Ano yan?
Smile.
Pork din.
Siniling? Maraming mo yan.
Nabalik.
Yeah!
Yay.
Yahoo! Fruit salad. Filipino fruit salad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anong nangyari dyan? Masyado.
Ikaw naman ang humawak.
Sige, hawakan mo lang. Kaya mo yan.
Humawit na ako.
Hayaan mo. Sige, kaya mo yan.
Ano?
Hanggang 5 minutes lang ha.
Hello everybody, this is Emily's big day! And the friends are here. Woohoo!
Ayun, okay?
Emily, say, oh, that's
Hi.
Emily's cake.
Oh, close up, close up.
Close up. Yung katulong. Ah, hindi pala. Joke!
Lalawang ganyan.
Oh, close up.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Inom mo yung nagagawa.
Kami, kuhanan mo. Kami.
Ayan yan. Oh, sige. Yan yung kambal yan ah.
Hindi ka kasali.
Hindi ka kasali.
Magmumukha
Okay.
Magmumukha kaming 100 eh.
Happy birthday.
Ito. Kanina pa to eh. Oh.
May halik pa, baliktad ah, dapat.
Pinalik ko na yan nung alas 12.
Yum.
May news ko ya, baka hindi na.
Tabiru? Tabiru is eat, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everything.
In which order?
French.
So this is this.
Say happy birthday in French.
Very good.
Wow. Say happy birthday in your language. This is from the Czech Republic.
Krasne narozeniny.
Yeah. From Japanese.
Bienvenido.
Oh.
German.
German.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch.
Filipino.
Maligayang Pasko!
Kapampangan.
Ngayon, kapanganakan.
Ano sa'yo? Tagalog din?
Tagalog eh. Ano, maligayang kaarawan.
Oh. Sa salita mo, ano?
Malipayon nga pagbunag!
Kaya ana. Boholano.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bohol.
Bohol.
Diyos ko ba yun?
Kalimutan ko. Na-blanco. Wala, na-blanco.
Ilocano, naragsak nga kasangay. Yeah.
5 minutes na, 5 minutes.
Sobra na. 6 minutes.
Kaya naman, kaya naman.
Yeah.